Hi, third graders. It's Mrs. Zetterholm. I'm going to quickly go over what your directions on your assignment are today for your virtual day, and then you will be on your own. So, if you are watching this video, it means you have already watched the first magnet video. Good work. If you have not, you should do that first. After you finish this direction video, you will start the assignment on your own. So today's assignment, you are first going to read the passage on page 1. This passage is called "They Are So Attractive." So you're going to read this passage. Notice I'm putting a bracket around it. You need to read it slowly and out loud to yourself. When you get done reading this out loud to yourself, you will then move on to the 3 questions below. You need to not only circle the correct answer that would fill in the blanks or answer the question, but you will need to highlight using the matching color. Here's what I mean by that. A magnet can blank certain types of metal. That's number 1. You notice that I have highlighted in orange the words certain types of metal. You are going to find your answer to this question by looking in the passage for the sentence that includes the words certain types of metal. So if I look at the first sentence, a magnet is a rock or a piece of metal that pushes or pulls certain types of metal together. That might include certain types of metal, but does that tell me what those certain types of metal do? No. So I need to keep reading. Magnets can be used to attract or repel other magnets. Does that include certain types of metal? No. Attract means that they are pulled together. No. Repel means they push apart. No. They can also push or pull certain types of metal like iron. Yes, certain types of metal. I will highlight it and you should too. Then that helps me answer by looking at the rest of the sentence. Oh, look. I see my answer in this sentence. The next one, number 2, well, you'll need to answer number 1 by circling A, B, C, or D. For number 2, you are looking to highlight the sentence that includes the words distance between objects. Highlight that sentence and then find your answer and circle it. For number 3, you're looking to find the words greater force or greatest force, something like that. Highlight that sentence and it will help you circle your correct answer. There is absolutely no reason you should get any of these 3 wrong because you should have 3 things highlighted. You should have an orange thing, which I gave you, the orange sentence. You should have a yellow sentence highlighted in the passage with the answer in it, and you should have a pink sentence highlighted. So I should see 3 sentences highlighted up here, pink, yellow, orange, and then your answers below here, circling the letter. Then, once you finish this, you'll move on to page 2. Yes, there's a page 2. You are going to look at the chart and complete a bar graph using the data in the chart and answer the question below. So you will see on this side of our chart, there are magnets 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those magnets attract different numbers of paper clips. So you can see magnet 1 attracts 3, magnet 2 attracts 8, magnet 3 attracts 5, and magnet 4 attracts 11. So you will also notice they are color-coded. I would like you to use those color coding. I'm using the highlighter tool. So for magnet 1, it attracts 3 paper clips. So what I would expect you to do is come over here and you're creating a bar graph. So I'm going to color in 3 of these boxes going up. I know that I'm coloring in 3 because they're counting up by ones if I look at the y-axis here that says number of paper clips. So I put 3 boxes colored in. Then you'd go on to magnet 2, and using your orange, you'd color in 8, and then so on with magnet 3 and 4. You will do that for each of those magnets, making your bar graphs. Then for question 1 on the bottom, it says which magnet is the strongest. How can you tell? I would like 2 sentences for this. The magnet that is the strongest is magnet blank, period. I can tell because blank, period at the end. Once you have finished this whole page and the first page with the 3 questions, then you may submit it to Schoology as an assignment. Good luck. Let your teacher know if you need any help or you have any questions.